In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly open Excel on your computer using just a simple keyboard shortcut. This little trick can save you time and help streamline your workflow, especially if you frequently use Excel for data management, financial calculations, or just keeping track of your daily tasks. To begin, make sure you're at your computer and ready to follow along. This shortcut is specific to Windows operating systems, so ensure that your computer is running a Windows OS. We're going to use the Run command, which is a powerful utility in Windows that allows you to open tasks and programs quickly without navigating through menus or using the mouse. First off, you'll want to locate the Windows key on your keyboard. It's typically found in the bottom left corner, nestled between the Control, and Alt keys, and it features the familiar Windows logo. Holding this key, press the R key simultaneously. This shortcut will launch the Run dialog box, a small window that appears in the bottom left corner of your screen. At this stage, you'll see an input field next to the word Open. In this field, you'll want to type the word Excel. Be sure to use lowercase letters, as commands in the Run box are not case sensitive. This is essentially the command that tells Windows, I want to open Excel, without having to navigate there manually. Now, instead of clicking OK, you can just hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This convenient shortcut is another way to speed things up, seamlessly opening Excel within a few seconds. And there you have it. Excel is up and running on your desktop. This shortcut is not only a great time saver, but also reduces the hassle of searching through various folders or looking for Excel through the Start menu each time you need it. It's a handy trick that, once memorized, can make a huge difference for anyone who frequently uses Excel. If you're concerned about keeping your processes efficient, incorporating keyboard shortcuts like this one can make your experience more fluid and less cumbersome. It's always beneficial to familiarize yourself with more keyboard shortcuts tailored to your needs, as these can greatly enhance your productivity in the long run. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more confident in using the Run command to open Excel. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more tips and tricks for using Excel and other applications more effectively, feel free to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and happy calculating.